What is it?
Just a little something, some exfoliant, little scrub, loofah, some bubble bath, you know? You like to take baths, huh? Get yourself all squeaky clean.